Welcome in, everyone. This is an unusual whales update. I'm going to be updating everybody kind of for the month of April. Unusual Whales kind of does a lot of updates, added a lot of stuff. We're going to look at the change log from April. I'm just going to kind of go over what they added. I'm not going to dive super deep into the details and all that, but just kind of want to show everybody what they added for the month of April. So let's get started here. And again, to find the change log for those that have unusual whales, you can just kind of find it from any of these. Just click in the flow feed and it's going to be up here, your change log. So let's come back here to the beginning of April. So a lot of updates here. Not going to dive into every little thing, just kind of want to do a brief overview of everything. So we had some mobile app updates here on the 3rd. So they added in a market sentiment gauge. And again, if you look on the right side here too, it'll kind of tell you where that is if you'd like to edit it or if you're looking for it. So you got your market sentiment gauge now. That top tickers is in the sector flow page. There's increased limits to the flow feed as well. Added in some new conditions for analyst ratings and alerts. And again, you can find all that on the mobile app here. I can't really show anybody here because I'm on desktop. So we added in an absolute value filtering. So if you're kind of looking to filter those Greeks a little bit more, you can do that in the live options flow, your ticker interval, the option screener. And again, that's just under your Greeks tab here. So let's come in here. So that would just be your absolute value posted in there. So let's come back to the change log. So up next, they also added in a Truth Social post now available as a push notification. So this would be in your custom alerts section. Just come in here and you would set up your custom alerts however you want them. And we also added a historical market tied data to the mobile app view. Again, a lot of mobile updates this month. So again, you can see that on that market tied, and you can see. Can also, I don't think you can do that on here though. You can't do that on web, but let me come back here. Yeah, that's a mobile update, so it's not going to really show. So coming up next, we have, again, another mobile app update. Again, additional charts to the option contracts, to screen volume, open interest, IV, delta, gamma, theta, vega. Top chains table on the net flow screen is now sortable, and again, you can kind of see how they did that in here as well. So just kind of showing you where they made the changes there on mobile. Some updates to the Trump tracker page. Added a daily spy chart with Truth Social tweets, scheduled events, president's schedule, added a Truth Social feed, added tariff tracker, and again, you can see that in the Trump tracker. That'll take you right here. You can see where all that is in here as well. And up next we had, so they added a market maps to the stock screener. Again, stock screener results are now available in the alternate view. You can choose different X and Y data points here. So again, it's going to take you right to where that update is. You can see a lot of that new information coming in here. Again, your filters are on the side here for those that want to filter a little bit more. But again, new little market map visualization here. And we come up here to the U.S. tourism data. So they added a page to track U.S. tourism. Again, take a peek here. Your U.S. tourism here can kind of see all your data here. Tourism by region, Middle East, Eastern, African, Central America. All that stuff is here for those that like that data. And market tie can now be set to view both all and out of the money premiums. I really like this feature because you can see where those premiums are. And if you want to set that up, you just come in here, pop that on, and it's going to show you your call out of the money, call put. For out of money, obviously, call and put premiums. So easily trackable there. And let's see, so Discord bot subscription here. So little changes to the Discord bot subscription. They raised the price $6.99 a month here, but added in some new stuff: live options flow, analyst ratings, congressional trades, just some more different stuff here. So they also added in an AI filter builder to the website. Very good for especially newer users. And again, you can just see that. I'll open a new tab here. That'll be at the top here. You just got your AI filter builder. So again, kind of helps you here. You can describe what you're looking for, and it can help you generate a filter. And that was the big list of updates for the month. A little shorter video, but a lot of updates. Unusual Whales does a lot of updates, a lot of really good updates to help people kind of guide the markets a little bit more. But that is our April recap. I'll be back at the end of May for our May recap. Happy trading, everyone.